she's just showing how much of her makeup can go in here. And guys, look how much room. There's still a ton of room. That is wild. There you go. Guys, my daughter is really into expensive makeup, which you'll see here in a second. So she wants to make sure that when she's traveling, her makeup is protected. Makes sense. She found this BAGSMART Travel Makeup for her upcoming trip, and she chose it because it has 4,000 5-star reviews. And she said, it's pretty. Let's look in her makeup bag and see how much actually fits in here. Look, guys, they have this in like 6 or 7 different colors. They had it in small and large. This is a large. As you saw that it wasn't even full. All of this was in here with room to spare. Now let's put it back in here like in a pretty way. But one of her favorite features is that it unzips so that it opens up all the way like this. And there are wires here which cause it to keep its form while it's open, so you can reach in and grab whatever you need. It does have really nice quality zippers, and it has a PVC interior for easy cleaning. So the large one is 8 inches across, 4 inches deep, and 6 inches tall. It does have a nice little front pocket, logo right here, and look at the detail. Oh, there was more stuff. I didn't even know. Sneak attack. It has this nice front pocket so you could put like your makeup sponges and things like that, or your brushes in here. It has 2 rather large interior pockets here, and then the rest of it is just wide open space. So guys, you could use this for your toiletries too. Now that I'm seeing hers, I'm thinking I might get one for myself to just like chuck my larger toiletries in. And this is water resistant polyester fabric. It's really nice. This feels like really high quality. By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. Subscribe if you like honest product reviews about household and family Amazon finds. Also, you can help me grow this channel. I'm trying to get to 1K by St. Patty's Day. Yeah, and we can be smart cookies together. Okay, back to the video. Oh, she has so much pretty makeup. I would probably put the Charlotte Tilbury stuff in those bigger pockets because I just wouldn't want it to move around. Because that stuff is so expensive. Yeah.
And then I would put all of these things.
I cannot believe how much stuff fits in this bag. Like, literally, that's insane. Okay, and then you could put your skincare up here in the front. See, these are 2 full-size skincares, and they fit perfectly. This huge Sol de Janeiro right there. If you're looking for a high quality makeup bag to store your makeup for either daily use or for traveling, grab this BAGSMART bag. Only $19, you will have a beautiful, functional way to store and access your makeup while traveling, which of course we all know doing your makeup while you're traveling is a headache, but this will make it easier. Also make an excellent Valentine's Day gift, birthday, graduation gift. So cute. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.